Hello, Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are doing well. Today, in the subject of political geography, I want to explain about the boundaries and frontiers. Before moving toward the lecture, I want to share the content list. I will start from the introduction, then definitions, boundary making, demarcations of the boundaries, types of boundaries. In the end, I will conclude the topic. The definitions of the boundaries. Boundary is a line on the map or ground marks the limits of the state's jurisdiction and sovereignty. It is a real line or imaginary line that separate two things. In geography, boundaries separate different regions on the earth. Now the stages of the boundary making. There are three main stages of the boundary demarcation. First stage is the language, second stage is the boundary demarcation, third stage is the administration. First stage, the language. On the earth, states or countries are separated on the basis of different language. For example, Germany and France, which are European states. In Asia or in East Asia, China and Korea, Japan and Korea, or Japan and China. Second stage, the boundary demarcation. Boundary can be demarcated with the line of poles, stones, cement markers, fences and walls. These are the examples of the boundary demarcation. This is the way through we can demark the boundary. Our states Berlin Wall, through wall. It is the most familiar example of the 20th century. This is also example of demarcation. This is the way. Another example, through wooden boards, stone, wall. There is also wall between the Mexico and the United States. Third stage is the administration. States through regular procedure setting local disputes over the boundary and its effect. States try to regulate the waters, use of water and waterways in the border areas and attaining others through administrative way. Try to resolve the waterways and water resources. For example, Indus River between India and Pakistan, Nile River, which is the longest river on the earth in Africa, located in Africa continent. Also through international commissions of the boundary settlements. After the World War II, after the decolonization period, we can find the examples of the boundary demarcations through administrative way. The role of international commissions of the boundary settlements are assigned to an office of foreign ministry or other government agencies. Governments or states try to assign the target or agenda to the foreign ministry or specific agencies to resolve the boundary disputes, territorial disputes between the states. Administration is the most ideal and practicing pattern, mostly practiced in Europe, North America, Latin America, and it is less commonly in Asia, rarely in Africa. Ideal criteria for boundary demarcations: A is the artificial rather than to resolve the issues. You can see, find the example in the post-colonial Africa, how artificially the map of Africa was redrawn by the colonial powers. Ethnic basis also, Yugoslavia is the best example, where the more than 3 states, ethnic states, came into being after the disintegration of the Yugoslavia, after the death of Joseph Tito. Population, language, religion as well as is the criteria for boundary demarcation. Pakistan, India, which came on the basis of the religion. Israel and Palestine is also a familiar example on the basis of religion. Now the types of boundaries. There are 5 major types of boundaries. First, physical or natural boundaries. Second, political or artificial boundaries or man-made boundaries. Cultural, linguistic or national boundaries. Fourth is the economic boundaries or borders. 5, in which we will discuss the religious boundaries, ideological boundaries, and concept of maritime boundaries. Physical or natural boundaries. Physical or natural boundaries is the most obvious type of the boundary. Physical boundary is natural occurring barrier which differentiate or which separate two states or areas. For example, rivers, mountains range, oceans, deserts, forests. Rivers are the common boundaries between states or nations. This is the example of the river, how Paraguay, Brazil and Argentina in America, in American continent. This is the mountain, like Pakistan and China is separated. Deserts also, Sahara Desert, Arabian Desert, Third Desert, forest. Now the second type of the boundaries, political boundaries are artificial or man-made boundaries. Political boundaries are dividing lines between countries or states, nations, provinces and cities. These lines are more often called borders, created by peoples to separate areas governed by different groups. Political boundaries are not permanent boundaries. They can be changed over time through war, treaties or trade. For example, after World War II, the map of Europe was totally redrawn. Even after the French Revolution, when Napoleon Bonaparte became the Emperor of the France, how he extended the French Empire through conquering, invading the neighboring countries, and after the Congress of Vienna, how the major powers tried to redraw the boundaries or map of the Europe. Cultural boundaries or areas or national boundaries. Ethnic groups are nations which speak different languages, such as Germany and France. Mandarin language is also common language in East Asia, in China, Korea, Japan. In India, 122 different languages are spoken and 22 languages are the recognized as official languages of the India. And now the economic boundaries. Regions are economically divided on the basis of economic development, technological advancement, skilled labor, capital, resources, lifestyle. For example, developed countries or underdeveloped countries, the concept of developed and underdeveloped countries, the north and south. Even within a state or nation, there is economic separation on the basis of the lifestyle. For example, core areas and periphery areas, rich and poor, urban and rural areas. This is the way how two peoples are differentiated on the basis of income. This is the line, imaginary line, which separate the north and south. Other types of the boundaries are the religious boundary, ideological boundaries, maritime boundaries, Mediterranean Sea. In Mediterranean Sea, states are divided, and ideologically, especially in Cold War era, after the World War II, there were two blocks. There is imaginary line between two blocks which separate two blocks, communist bloc and capitalist bloc. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.